Hey there, I'm Ivan, and I'll be your guide throughout this link building course. Respona, the all-in-one link building and outreach tool we'll be using for most of the strategies in this course, wasn't born from just mere theory. It was initially created as an internal tool for Visme, a visual design platform to help generate some links. At the moment, there were no other email outreach tools that seemed to fit the link building purpose just right, so we sat down and we made our own. From there on, through steady link building, Respona helped Visme climb to 2.5 million monthly visitors. That served as proof of concept and a clear signal that Respona had the potential to be much more than just an internal tool. So over several years, it became the independent product that it is today to bring SEOs like you the power of proven strategies. We then started Respona's own website and used our tool to grow Respona's domain rating to 76, all in under just 2 years. So this entire link building course comes from experience, not just theory. Whether you're just dipping your toes into SEO or you're already experienced with on-page and technical SEO, this course's goal is to help you understand and implement practical link building strategies that result in real measurable success. In this course, we'll embark on a journey starting with the essentials in Module 1, Link Building Basics. Here, we're going to demystify what link building is, take a peek into its history, and unpack the concept of link equity. In Module 2, Strategies, we'll learn the step-by-step process for prospecting using various strategies from link insertions and guest posting to turning your competitor backlink profile into your own with practical demonstrations right inside of Respona. Module 3 will guide you through the best practices for making contact, whether it be by carving out personalized email paths or mastering the technical side of email health, from finding contact info to crafting an irresistible pitch, managing conversations, and turning one-off collaborations into long-term partnerships. So let's get into it.